Hello everyone. On this video we're going to see how you can make a partition in your local drive or how you can split your hard drive. So for doing that, just let's go to your file manager, then click on this PC. So you're seeing that we have only one drive, okay, local disk. We're gonna split it and make another folder here like this one. So for doing this, you have first of all you have to press your Windows plus R button all together, okay? And when you click Windows plus R key together, you will see a pop-up window like this one. And in this command box you have to write a command like just write this command diskmgmt.msc. So basically I'm doing this on Windows 11, but it's also applicable in Windows 10 or other versions. So now press OK. Okay, after pressing OK, you will going to see a window like this one. So here you are seeing three sections, just like C, disk partition 1, disk partition 4. Okay, so from these sections you have to press on the middle one, okay, not this one or this one, just press on the middle one. Okay, now I'm right clicking on the middle one. You will see an option named shrink volume. Okay, now I'm pressing on that shrink volume. It will take some time. Sometimes it takes 2 to 3 minutes, but you have to wait for this. Okay, now you're seeing that total size before shrink in MB. My local drive is 256 GB. Okay, that's what is showing here. And this third one basically showing that uh, you want to split your hard drive. So for say I just want to extract 5 GB from my 256 GB or 10 GB or 20 GB, but be careful, you have to write it in megabyte. For say I'm just splitting 20,000 megabyte. Okay, it's almost 20 GB, not 20 GB, a 19 point something maybe, because 1024 1024 megabyte is equal to 1 GB. Okay, so I'm splitting 20,000 MB. Okay, now press, oh, it has changed. Now I'm just retyping 20,000 GB. Okay, now press shrink. It will take some time. Okay, now you're seeing we have another partition 19.53 GB. Okay, it's not 20 GB just because we have put exactly 20,000, that's why. So now let's right click on that button and press on new simple volume and press next. Okay, size in 19,999. That's not, you don't have to click anywhere. Okay, just press next and assign the following drive letter. Okay, D is fine, just press next. And then file system NTFS. Okay, you have to select NTFS, just leave it as it is. Allocation, unit size, default, volume level, new volume. You can rename it, but okay, I'm keeping it new volume. Then press next and finish. Okay, here we have got our new volume. Okay, we have splitted our hard drive in two, or make another partition of our hard drive. Okay, just now I'm going to my file explorer and you will see we have another partition, new volume. Okay, that's so simple. Hope you understand this video. If you have any query, you can ask me on the comment section.